Let's explore some of the programs offered by DinoLab. Coding. This fun game-based program is for kids aged 6 to 15. It helps them learn Python in easy self-guided way, even though Python is a complex language. Kids enjoy building projects and solving problems as they learn. Environmental Sciences. Designed for children aged 6 to 12, the program covers all the important topics in the primary curriculum. It helps kids develop skills like observation, making predictions, and understanding cause and effect. Olympiad Preparation. This program is for kids aged 6 to 11. It includes special contest-level problems that help kids think creatively and solve problems in steps. They also learn important habits like testing ideas and thinking visually. Time management for kids. Aimed at children aged 6 to 13, this story-driven course teaches kids how to plan, organize, and finish tasks. It helps them develop important skills like self-control, planning, and reflection. The fun stories make learning how to manage time enjoyable. Start using DinoLab today and unlock your potential by learning new skills in a fun and engaging way.